Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamastoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amidam Kamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay children, slowly open your eyes. Children, we are moving to recall the concept of living things and non-living things, new words and do and document part. Before moving to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is, breathe in and breathe out. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should follow. Listen, children. If I say breathe in, you have to breathe in slowly. If I say breathe out, slowly breathe out the air. Children, are you all clear with the instructions? Let's start. Breathe in, slowly do. Okay, children? Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, children, slowly open your eyes. In last class, we recalled about living things and non-living things. Am I right? Yes. Children, once again, we will see the living things and non-living things. Okay, children? Does a cat move? Children, can a trees grow? Yes. Now, let us look at living things. Things that can move, grow, breathe, react, and alive are called living things. For example, animals, peoples, trees, etc. Children, does a table breathe? Can a book react? Yes, you are right. They don't. Now, let us look at non-living things. Non-living things. Things that cannot move, grow, breathe, react, and are not alive are called non-living things. For example, book, pen, table, etc. Children, now let us look at difference between living things and non-living things. Living things. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Non-living things do not eat food. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Children, now let us look at new words. Now we are going to see about new words. That is, first one, non-living things. What is that? Non-living things. Next, alive. What is that? Alive. Alive. Then, living things. What is that? Living things. Then, move. What is that? Move. Move. Then, breathe. What is that? Breathe. Then, human. What is that? Human. Human. Then, grow. What is that? Grow. Then, happy. What is that? Happy. Happy. Then, feelings. Feelings. Then, laugh. What is that? Laugh. Then, touch. Touch. What is that? Touch. Then, produce. What is that? Produce. These are all keywords, children. Children, take your 4-line note. Okay, children, take your 4-line note. See and write down these 12 keywords one time. And without saying, write down the words. Send these 12 keywords through Google Classroom. Now it's time for homework, children. Do page number 16 in book. That is, do and document part. Children, listen, study your environment and list out the living things and non-living things around you. Okay, children? Send your homework through Google Classroom. Do you all cleared about the concept of living things, non-living things, new words and homework? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.